The answer is that many countries have focused on diversity and promoted it intensively. We can understand the importance of diversity in decision-making criteria to generate new business models. I would like to share the importance of women's active engagement as the first step in diversity management for a corporate strategy.
経営戦略としてどういう意味があるのかっていうことをですね、ちょっと皆さんと共有させていただきたいというふうに思います。
Among 146 countries, including the OECD nations, the ranking was published by estimating these gaps using formally published statistics. In 2023, Japan was ranked 125th out of 146 countries. Nevertheless, we know the situation now should be better than before because we often talk about the promotion of women's advancement, both in the workplace and academia. However, Japan was ranked 125th. The answer is that many countries have focused on diversity and promoted it intensively. The technological development is astonishingly fast. With such fast technological development, we need to think with a completely different scope when we look toward the future. However, decision-makers still tend to rely on similar past experiences of failure and success, especially in Japan. No matter how much technology advances, it is difficult for people who have experienced the same failures and successes to come up with changing business models. Therefore, we can understand the importance of diversity in backgrounds, ways of thinking, and decision-making criteria to generate new business models globally.